Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to verify LinkedIn. So make sure that you updated LinkedIn by going to your App Store, Google Play, and basically make sure that you update it. Go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser. And basically, if you want to verify LinkedIn, click more or the more icon on your LinkedIn profile, and then about this profile, and then click verify now to start the verification process. You will be redirected to the verification process through Clear. Enter your personal phone number or email, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so basically scroll a little bit down right here. Make sure that you add adding a verification is optional. You're encouraged but not required to add one to your profile. Devices, you can access this feature through LinkedIn mobile app, iOS and Android, and the verification is not available in the web browser. In the name matching, the name on your ID must match the name on your LinkedIn profile. If you have a LinkedIn profile in another language, the name on your ID also needs to match the name on your secondary profile. Your verification will not be added to your LinkedIn profile unless they match. Verification are visible, but you can remove them anytime. Once verified, a verification may be visible on your profile, but the actual information itself from your ID card will not be visible. LinkedIn may display the issuing country of your ID on your profile, and you can remove the verification in settings. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.